I am trying to do SR flip-flop in LT Spice. SR flip-flop in LT Spice. 2 NMOS transistors. And here another combination. 2 NMOS transistors. And PMOS also I need. PMOS transistors also we want. And here it should be one beside the other and below this. Here also one beside the other and then below this. Okay, escape. I will go to zoom one more time. If you see the circuit, 2 NMOS transistors oppositely facing 1 NMOS transistor. Similarly, this side also we have. So what I will do, this NMOS transistor, I will just make it control E. It is facing opposite to fix it in the window. This also control E. It is facing opposite. You fix it. And I will also draw the connections, starting point, ending point. Right side NMOS combination completed. Left side there is a PMOS over here, so I will just move it ahead and then I will come to the next wired connection. So left side NMOS, 3 NMOS, okay, 2 set of 3 NMOS, 2 set of 3 NMOS, this portion completed, this portion completed. Now PMOS and below that one PMOS should come. For that initially PMOS we have to see that control R, control E, drain is coming on the top. And here it is enough 2 times control R because they should face each other. And here control R, control E. Let me check. I think it should, input should be in this fashion. So what I will do, control E, in this direction only it is there. And now this one, control R, control E. And this one, control R enough, opposite facing. And this one, control R, control E. These 2 PMOS transistors are back to back. These 2 PMOS transistors are back to back. Exactly as in the diagram I am doing it. These 2 parallelly connected. And here PMOS should be connected below. And this set of PMOS should be connected over here. And these 2 PMOS parallelly connected. And this PMOS connected below. And this PMOS is connected below. Okay. And we know that one common ground is here. One common ground is here. And one VDD also, we know one VDD voltage is required. One VDD voltage for the entire circuit is required. One ground is required. I am putting that ground also. I am just connecting VDD to the top of the circuit. And again here I am connecting. And here for the VDD I am connecting the ground. Here one common ground. Here one common ground I am connecting. This portion of the circuit completed. Here common ground, VDD completed. Now these 2 transistors, these 2 PMOS, NMOS should be connected together. This PMOS, NMOS should be connected together. I will just complete that. So this PMOS and this NMOS should be connected together. And where else? And here one PMOS. This PMOS and NMOS I am connecting. This is SN clock. This is SN clock. SN clock. This is NMOS transistor. PMOS I am connecting. Okay. And then what is the other thing? This point should be connected over here. This point should be connected over here. That bridging I will do. So here this point should be connected over here, and this point should be connected over here. Okay, I have done that bridging. Now only thing I am left out is R, S clock. These are the inputs. R, S clock, 3 inputs. VDD I have already given. So 3 inputs I will take. Voltages, 3 voltages I will take. Okay. This is for R. This is for clock. And this is for S. Okay. S is on the, this is S. These two are same clocks. This is R. First I will complete that. I am giving 1 ground to this voltages what I have taken now. 1 ground points. I will connect the ground with voltages. I am connecting ground with voltages. Ground with voltage. This is S. This is R. This is clock. And the same clock I have to give other side also. Same clock I have given. Now this R should be given over here, left side. And if you see the center two are given with clock, outer side it is S. So I will take the outer side. This I will connect to S. And these two centers I am joining together. These two should be clock. These two should be clock. Okay. Abhishek, kindly mute. Abhishek, mute your audio. Now this center we have given the clock. This center we have given the clock. Now circuit is completed. Circuit is completed. We know that VDD we have to give 5 volts. Okay, the 3 inputs are R, S and clock. R, S and clock. 2 outputs are Q and Q bar. Okay, R, S and clock, Q and Q bar. First for VDD I am giving 5 volts. For VDD I am giving 5 volts. Then for clock what I will do, go to advanced, pulse, and then 0 followed by 5, 0.5 nano, 1 nano, 1 nano, and on time I will take 4 milli, time period I will take 8 milli. Okay, this is for clock I have given. This is R. What I will do, this is 0 followed by 5, 0 followed by 5, delay 0.5 nano, rise time 1 nano, fall time 1 nano. For R, I will take 4 milli and 8 milli, 4 milli, 8 milli. Okay, this is R. Both for clock and R I am taking same time period, but for S I will give double the time period. So pulse 0 followed by 5, 0 followed by 5, delay time 0.5 nano, rise time 1 nano, fall time 1 nano, on time I am taking 8 milli, time period I am taking 16 milli. Okay, this is about S. Okay, SR. S I am giving 16 milli, R I am giving 8 milli. So those 4 combinations will come 0001, 1011. Okay, and the clock I am maintaining 8 as the time period. I have given all the inputs, and output is this is Q. This PMOS output is Q. This PMOS output is Q bar. Left side it is Q. Okay, left side it is this is Q bar. Left side is Q bar. Right side it is Q. Okay, so Q bar followed by Q. These two are the outputs. The Q bar, this is Q bar, this is Q. These two are the outputs. Input is clock SR. Okay, so now simulation time, I have to give the maximum time I have used in the entire setup, 16 milli. Now I will, you have to fix it somewhere in the window. Just fix it somewhere in the window. Yes, just fix it somewhere. Execute, tile vertical. I have 3 inputs. One is for clock, second one S, third one R completed, and 2 outputs Q and Q bar. Q and Q bar. Okay. So first one, run button, clock. This is the clock signal. Second one, run button. This is S signal. Third one, run button. This is R signal. Okay. This is output. Q is this output. And here this is Q bar. Left side it is Q bar. Okay. So first we have to check Q and Q bar are invert or not. Based on the clock only it will be done. Based on the clock only it will be done. Okay. If you see here, clock is coming. If you see here, we have designed this circuit. Clock is given without bar. So positive edge triggering is going on. Where the changes are happening. This is 0 to, okay. I am just analyzing this in the gate class we have discussed. For 0, 0, okay, output is same as previous state. 0, 0, output is same as previous state. For 0, 1, output is 0. For 1, 0, output is 1. Okay. Now, whatever S values is there, that is coming as the output. S0 means output is 0. S1 means output is 1. For 0, 1, 1, 0, S value only coming as output. That you can check. This is S and R, blue, red, S and R. 1, 0 means S value will come as the output. S is 1, so output is also 1, Q value. Then this is 0, 1 means S value 0, that is coming as the output. Okay, so this combination is correct. Now for 0, 0, output is same as previous output. For 0, 0, output is same as previous output, Q of T. Output is same as previous output. Next state output same as previous state output. So previous state output is 0. So for 0, 0, same output continues. That is also correct. Now for 1, 1, SR 1, 1, okay, there will be some toggling happening. That toggling only created some ambiguity over here. Other 3 combinations, it is coming correctly. This is for SR flip-flop. This is about SR flip-flop. If you see JK flip-flop, here clock bar is given. In this diagram, clock bar is given, which means falling edge, there will be change in the output. Falling edge, there will be change in the output if clock bar is given. Here clock is given, so rising edge only, there will be change in the output. And here I have changed the clock time period as 4 millisecond. And you can see rising edge, there is change in the output. Rising edge, everywhere there is change in the output. Q and Q bar. For the clock rising edge, there is change in the output. For clock rising edge, there is change in the output. Okay, 3 combinations, output is coming correct. At the rising edge of the clock, output is coming. Okay, this is without bar, rising edge. With bar means falling edge, we will have output changes. Okay, with this I am closing. We have done SR flip-flop in LT Spice, output success.